What's up? DJ Bobby here. We're talking about UFOs again, specifically local UFOs now. I found a national reporting website. That's exactly what I was looking for before, but the list that I had before was very useful and is still useful. But I'd like to focus on local stories because no one's focusing on that. So here we are. This is a story that caught my eye. I, was scrolling for another story and I found this one. Alright, why is it interesting? Yes, that's a good question. Alright, so the duration's about 7 minutes. The observer's 3. That's pretty good sighting, especially for the duration. What caught my eye was the light bulb shape, extremely close up, with other, red orbs. Is about 70 feet away and 20 feet above the ground. It was dark orange, and the material of the UFO was made out of, emitted a bright light. The structure of the UFO was comparable to an upside down light bulb. That's really interesting to me. At the bottom of the UFO, there was a single hole that I could see inside through the craft. The hole was also emitting a red light with a ball of orange light that was positioned at the center of the hole in the UFO without struts or bars attached to it. I heard the trees moving, and I looked to my left near the top of the trees at my home, and I saw the UFO hovering behind the tree. The UFO then slowly moved at a speed of around 10 miles an hour to the end of my street. Then I yelled at my girlfriend, who was beside me, to look, and I pointed at the UFO. The UFO immediately started hovering higher and moving away from my location at around 30 miles an hour, and gradually built up speed, rose higher until it was no longer visible. After seeing the UFO, my friends and I were watching the sky for it just in case it returned. I watched it for about an hour and noticed that there were 6 other orbs in different locations in the sky. 3 of these orbs were moving individually. The other 3 were in a triangle formation, flying in the same direction as if part of the same craft. I thought this story was very interesting. I hope you did too. It's from my hometown in 2013 on July 4th, actually. Fancy that.